Wow, guys, you guys see her here. We're gonna have a hurricane, but all of us are idiots, so we're gonna go kiteboarding. Extremists. Hey, so you didn't even have a police there, just letting you guys know that, man, this is severe. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go kiteboarding. Weird. Yeah, it's probably blown like almost 38 miles an hour. Well, you gotta have certain kind of kite for this, and that's the only thing that matters. And yeah, it can happen. It can work, but you just gotta do it right. And call me crazy, but I'm using the DJI Spark right now. This is more than a selfie drone. Actually, the active track features here, and it's pretty much tracking me down. And you can see with extreme hurricane weather. So the parent here, and you can see the Spark still managed to follow me without struggling at all with this extreme wind. You can see it, and wow, guys, I was amazed when this happened over here. I finally did it with this weather. It's a dream of mine that you guys can see here. The reason why I'm doing this active track and using the drone, because when this kind of weather, no one's photographer or video drone out there is gonna take this extreme videos, and mostly you're by yourself or you're alone doing this thing. But anyway, yes, it did work. So if you guys trying it out, I mean, right now this is the hardest doing the active track of especially kiteboarding. I mean, look at me, I have the harness here. I mean, it's not easy, guys. I don't have enough room to land my kite, and you guys can see over here, I have to hold the middle part of the kite, because I don't want to get yanked all the way from the other side of the building. But anyway, just showing you guys you can do it. But thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it, and it did work.